LearningBOX, Learner's Guide on Mobile. This video will guide you through the basics of using LearningBOX. While your educator's specific settings might cause slight variations in appearance or layout, the fundamental steps for logging in, learning content, and checking your grades remain the same. Let's dive in. First, you will need your LearningBOX access URL, user ID, and initial password, which your educator will provide via email or another communication channel. If you have not received these details, please contact your educator. Click the access URL and enter your ID and password on the login screen to log in. This is your dashboard. From here, you can access all assigned content. Tap the course to see inside. You can scroll down to view all course materials. If you notice some content is grayed out, it means you must complete specific requirements before accessing those sections. To begin the course, you can either tap the Start button at the top or simply tap the first content item. To move on to the next content, tap the arrow icon at the top of the screen. For video content, a notification may appear depending on the admin's settings. If you have a quiz, read the question, select your answer from the options, and tap Submit. Depending on the settings, you may see if your answer is correct immediately. To track your learning progress, tap the graph icon, or check grades on the dashboard. Green indicates correct answers, while red shows incorrect ones. Finally, check for any messages by tapping the hamburger icon and selecting Messages. You can reply to messages just as you would in a communication app. Simply send your message by tapping a paper plane icon at the bottom. That is how you can proceed with your learning in LearningBOX. We hope this guide is helpful.